mango.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this car.
You like it? Yeah, I'm done with my coffee. I'll throw it here. Okay, guys. I'm staying in downtown Toronto. The time is 4:40 p.m. here in downtown. I'm on the Jarvis Street and Giras Street East. So we're gonna walk. I'm gonna walk with my friend to Union Station. So it's almost 30 minutes walk there. So what do you think? What is the life over here by alone? Are you hungry?
We handle it.
It's not easy, oh.
It's not easy.
You feel sometimes lonely or what?
Yeah, but you just handle it. We use this so that you can be up front faster.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Okay.
Though you make friends, you talk to people. You go to your place.
Okay.
Fine, yeah. Life is about mingling. You mingle with people, talk to one person, talk to another person.
Okay.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
Talk to your family and talk to them every day.
Oh, okay.
So,
So you live by yourself or you live in, you have a roommate?
I have a roommate. Angie.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So you plan to stay in Toronto or you don't like here?
I don't like the town, the CBD, can I call it, the central business place,
Okay.
because it has all sorts of things. But
As what?
it has all sorts of things in terms of, it has
Okay. Yeah, like you are newcomer.
yeah.
You just came, so you know. I understand. Yeah.
So you're better off.
Yeah.
Then the outskirts are cleaner. They are also safer.
Okay.
The housing is also manageable. Though I don't know how it will be during cold weather.
It's very cold here. I'm telling you.
It's very cold. It's very cold. Coming from Ghana, I mean, Ghana is a tropical country. So,
Yeah.
So sometimes you're always with coffee and always with the...
Like this, I drink it like 3 times a day.
Which one is this that you're taking? What is
Red
that?
black. No sugar, no pretension.
Oh, cream, nothing. Yeah, cream is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me, I'm black. I like everything black. You know?
I'm telling you, don't even take their milk. It's just bad. It's just I mean, that's the worst thing. You know, Africa will have tea. We love tea. So
Yeah, Kenya, you guys like tea.
It's
but
perfect. And our milk is so original. Then you can.
It comes from direct from the cow. Oh yeah.
Even you'd guys.
Yeah.
But just a bit processed.
Yeah, it's different, you know.
Yeah, it's I don't know what we take. We just take stuff. So you end up taking water and black tea, or sugar, nothing. Our sugar is so original when you taste sugar.
Of course, yeah, really sugar.
Yeah. So we miss our food.
Yeah, what do you guys eat in Kenya? Tell me.
We eat ugali.
What is ugali? Tell me. You want to cook and invite me?
Yeah, sure. It's like, okay, let me explain it to you.
Explain it to people who don't know. What is that? Ugali. Okay.
It's corn, it's steamed corn, white corn.
Okay.
And you take hot water, you boil the water in a pan, big enough pan. And when the water boils, we put steamed powdered corn inside and put it with a wooden
So how long
spoon.
it take? How many minutes it take to make that?
Ah, no, not very long. You do the water and the stiff.
It's like a fufu.
Yeah, it's fufu.
Almost like
yeah,
a fufu.
Like,
oh yeah, you guys.
Yeah.
Even though you're not from West Africa, you're from Kenya, you're from where, you can eat. So she's gonna invite me.
Swallow.
I'm gonna go eat
ugali.
Ugali. Okay.
Yeah. So you make fufu from all the other things.
Yeah.
Fufu from corn.
Okay.
Yeah, white corn.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now we're heading to the train station, right?
Yeah.
So which train you gonna take?
Take Go Station, the Union Station, the main station for Toronto.
How far is from here? You had to walk a lot before going there?
Yeah.
A long way?
Yeah,
okay.
like
30. 13?
30, 3 and 0.
Before you get there?
Yeah, it's far.
Okay, okay, let's do it. No problem.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Union Station is the main station. The main station for all the trains. They all meet there.
Okay.
And then you can pick. The beauty about some things, the electrical cars.
Now it's the electric car. Yeah.
So
in the next 20 years or 30 years, you're not going to see, it's going to be only electric car.
So where are we going to get the electric? Yes.
But Africa have problem. I don't know how they're going to do it. But here it's easy, you know. Easy here.
Where do they get it? Watermist?
Huh? I think we don't have it in Kenya. Our government is supposed to do that. Your Africans supposed to do the same thing.
It's supposed to give you food?
Yeah. Food and job. No?
The good book says you work and then you eat. You don't smoke the whole day and then eat now.
Oh really?
Yeah, you don't smoke the whole day.
You're in love right now. I always think it's right.
It's English and French. Yeah. No, just French. Yeah. Yeah.